Hey y'all, it's Myia. Watch me while I install this beauty supply store wig. Tell y'all about the absolutely stressful week I've had. Come on, y'all. So to start off, let me preface this by saying it was tax time. And, you know, taxes came on the same week that I got my paycheck. So I had planned to go to Chicago to find me a car because I'm in Iowa right now and it's kind of hard to find like decent price cars out that are actually good. So I went to Chicago to find one, and also just to have like a little spring break moment because I haven't really been anywhere in a minute. So I took me and my son, we went to my cousin's house, and then we went to Chicago to have fun and find me a car. Cool. So we're in Chicago, and for one, my taxes didn't come till that Monday. Yes, we went on the weekend. I left on Friday. You know, I got paid on Friday, so I was cool for a little. But my taxes came on that Monday. Cool. Great. So I can get my first thing down. Cool. Then it was really nothing to do in Chicago this weekend. I ain't gonna lie, like, but then chill with family. And we really couldn't find nothing to do. We did find to do. It was so fucking hot. I mean, so hot that sweat was literally dripping from my hootie hack, my hootie girl, down to my feet. Like, give me some space. Type shit. Give me some space. I'll insert some videos if I can. Actually, I did have fun that night though. Let me stop. Okay, so fast forward. Then we go back to where my cousin lives because she doesn't live in Chicago either. She lives in Illinois. We go back down there. We're having fun. Cool. Great. I forgot to mention my tax money was also gonna help me get back home, like if I didn't end up finding a car. So I was kind of stranded until Wednesday night. So I go look at this one car. It's a 2007. Really wasn't trying to get nothing over a 2010. So I can't even be mad that it's a 2007. So I'm gonna just try to get it because the fuck, I need a car. And it was okay, except for the previous owner took the exhaust out, so it was really loud and I was gonna have to spend more money on it. The story's over. I talked too long. Bye guys, love you.